All right, everyone, welcome back to the channel. First of all, before I start, I just want to thank you guys who have subscribed. I greatly appreciate it. I'm gonna give you guys a huge thank you for that one. So today I'm just going to teach you guys how to put gasoline into a motorcycle tank, because I know some of you people out there that are gonna be getting into motorcycling do not know how to do this. So I'm going to teach you how to do this, and I'm gonna look weird in public right here, right now, talking to myself just for you guys. So I'm gonna do it right now. First of all, you're gonna take your key and then you're going to open this part right here on the tank. So after you open this part right here, you are going to put the key inside, just like so. You're going to want to apply pressure right about here. I guess there's a spring that kind of engages more properly when you apply pressure. So when I try to turn my key, it won't really turn, and you're gonna end up bending your key if you don't apply pressure right here. So apply pressure, open it, twist the key to the right, just like so. Twist it to the right, just like so, then voila, it's open. Now next, what you're going to want to do is pay. So if you have cash like I do right here, you're going to want to take it inside. This is the 7-Eleven. You're going to want to take it inside and pay at the cash register, and then you have to look at the number this thing right here is number 7. So when you walk inside, say, hey, can I have $5 on number 7? You take it to number 7. For the sake of me not wanting to get up, I'm going to use my debit card, but I just told you how to go pay with cash. So what you're going to want to do now is take your card, and I think you can put it in either way, with the black bar either facing to the right or to the left. Sometimes there's a little picture or something that tells you how to insert it. So now you want to put your card inside. It'll say remove card rapidly, then you remove the card rapidly. And usually it'll say enter the 5-digit code, or it'll ask you for the PIN number for your card. So either PIN number or zip code. So in this case, it's going to be zip code. The enter button is right here. It says enter, okay, green. Do you want a receipt? My case, no, I do not want a receipt. And what's cool about motorcycles is that you don't even have to get off your bike unless you want to. But I typically just pull up and I stay seated because I'm lazy as f. Then it'll say to lift the handle, so you want to lift the handle, and I usually get regular. So after you lift up the handle, then you want to push this button right here. I just pushed it, and then you just want to take this nozzle and you want to put it inside the hole, just like so. Then you want to pull the trigger right here. Then you want to watch the purchase and see how much gas you want to put inside your bike. And word of advice, at some gas stations, if you try to pull the trigger and nothing comes out, or you don't feel the gas coming out, in order to start squirting gas into the motorcycle, you have to push this black piece all the way down so it can start to engage. Some stations you don't have to push this all the way down to engage the gas. I think for the sake of not having a hard time, just push the thing all the way down and then just put the gas in. Make sure that all the drippies, see all the drippies right there? All the drippies come out, because you don't want to pull it out, then gas gets all over your tank. It's not a fun time, and it smells. Stuff reeks, man. It reeks, man. Then after you just kind of do this a little bit, make sure all the gas comes out, then you want to put this handle back onto the holster thing. Then after that, you spin the key all the way to the right first, then you put the cap back down while pushing it down, while applying pressure, and then you spin your key to the left. Voila, you push this tab back down, just like so, and then you put the key back into the ignition. And if you guys haven't seen my video on how to start your motorcycle or start a motorcycle, there will be a link down in the description in case you want to go check that one out, because it's helpful information, guys. It's helpful, I'm telling you. But that's pretty much how you do it. So remember, cash, just walk inside, say whatever number you're gonna get gas from, or if you have a card, just insert it right here. So that'll be it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video today. I hope it was very informative. I know that there are people out there who want to know how to do this stuff and who need the information. And also, guys, if you happen to be in your house or something watching the video, and if you have not gone outside yet, if you can please make the extra effort to go outside, ride a motorcycle, ride a bicycle, do whatever it is. If you want to go for a walk, if you want to go for a run, if you want to stand outside and people watch, whatever it is you like to do, that's all I ask. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching the video. I greatly appreciate it. If you can give me a thumbs up, that would be superb. And if you like the content and if you want more awesome videos from me, make sure to subscribe. It would be super awesome if you could subscribe if you want more videos, because I'm here every single day, except for Sundays, but I am here every single day posting content, motorcycle and BMX content, because bikes are awesome and we all love bikes. I do everything bikes. Bikes are awesome, motorcycles, regular bicycles. So again, guys, thank you for watching the video, and remember to always be green and bleed green. This one's for you, subscribers. What up? Wanna? Yeah, man, you want to see it? No way, it's Brandon, buddy. Have a good one, guys. Be safe out there, yeah? All right, have a good one, man.